Hi guys, welcome to Waterman House, James Street Cookery School. We have just moved it to here. It's a bespoke building in the centre of Belfast in Hill Street. At Waterman House Cookery School, it's that one-to-one, really intense training. We've made it bigger, there'll be 2 chefs. It's great for corporate, it's great for couples, it's great for single people. If you're interested in cooking, this is what it's all about. It's all about the love of cooking, and that's what we're trying to achieve here at Waterman House. And the difference between these 2 premises, it's bigger, it's better, it's brighter, it's on the ground floor, and we're all ready to go. It's got amazing extraction and it's state of the art. The dishes we're doing here are all pure classic dishes. It's from making your own pasta to making your own bread, slow braising, cooking, barbecuing, cooking a wood burner oven. It's endless of what we're doing here, because really what we're trying to do is cover all bases in cooking. So no matter if you're a so-called great chef or you're somebody just beginning, it's all the same. We all start at one level and we all move together. The key thing about the Cookery School at Waterman House is that I want you to come here, I want you to cook, and I want you to go home and cook it as well. That's how I know it's been a success. If you start doing our dishes at home, and then all of a sudden your repertoire gets bigger and bigger, and then you become a real confident cook. I'm a real believer, everybody can cook. To me, when you're coming to the Cookery School, the one thing that I love is just the crack. It's the atmosphere, it's the buzziness, and total strangers, but at the end of the day, they're all good friends. And to me, that's the friendliness, the happiness, and just the fun of it more than anything. And the more you relax and enjoy yourself, the better the class is. And the more you're going to learn, and it's just good fun.